you don't have to be committed to any one time.
Okay, so @Deb Tate asks, I want to grow herbs and use more fresh herbs in cooking. Here's my issue. When I go to the garden store, there's several types of thyme. There's German, lemon, creeping, etc. Which is the thyme you use in normal recipes? What do I want to use as a beginner?
Well, the wonderful thing about gardening is that you don't have to be committed to any one time. You can bring home seeds. They're very inexpensive. Grow a little patch of lemon thyme, which is as the name would tell you, it is in fact more lemony. Creeping thyme we have all over the front lawn of our house here in the Adirondack Mountains. Grows very well in a cooler climate and really does creep everywhere. But the great thing about gardening is you don't have to pick and choose. You can try a couple of different patches of thyme and see what your palate likes. When you buy thyme in the grocery store, it actually has a great shelf life. It lasts for a couple of weeks. You don't even have to grow it. You can grow it on your windowsill as I do during these days. We don't have our lemon thyme up yet. The creeping thyme is coming back right now. But you don't have to pick and choose. That's the fun thing about gardening. It's such a low cost to pick up a couple of packets of seed, sprout them, and see what you like.
This is from @Wendy Neal Turner. Can you eat garlic if it's green inside?
That means it's not at its prime. I like to buy garlic that's extremely firm and heavy. Hardneck garlic or purple skin garlic will be milder in taste. Rachael is my favorite garlic. It's from Calabrian Garlic Seed, and I buy it at Union Square every year, but obviously I can't this year. Maybe Keith will send it to me from Keith's garden. Hey, shout out to him. But basically, I keep garlic that's still in its jackets and full bulbs in jars covered. And the garlic I'm going to peel the next day, I keep a few in the basket behind me in the kitchen. You should keep it cool and dark. Don't use garlic once it's dimpled, sprouting, and dried out. It'll be more bitter. And I peel up a couple bulbs at a time and keep them in the fridge in a very tiny container that I can use within just a couple of days. When you buy garlic in large containers at the grocery store or anyplace else, in bags or buckets, they have to use a preservative of some sort, and it makes the garlic, for me, too strong and bitter, and it can upset the digestion of whoever it is you're feeding. John and I have cast iron stomachs and won't upset ours, but I just crack enough garlic to fill a 1/4 pound, little teeny tiny 4-ounce container every couple of days. Otherwise, keep it cool and dry and only buy garlic. The skins are very tight and the garlic bulbs are still heavy in weight.